Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove blank enter in Excel. Okay, now see this blank enter, blank cells. Okay, now select full blank, select full text, go to Tools tab, select text, remove space and select all access space. Now apply this and click OK. And see this blank cells. Remove this, select full cells, remove multiple blank cells. Wait. Okay, remove multiple blank cells, click full blank cells and control Z. Now click special, click blanks, now click OK. Now automatic selected this blank cell. Right click mouse, delete and select enter row. See this row 1 2. See this row 2 cell. Select enter row, then click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.